Changing a bank details for payroll on Rippling is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payroll is directed to the correct account. Step 1. Log into your Rippling account. Visit the Rippling website and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have access to your account to make changes. Step 2. Navigate to Payroll Settings. Once logged in, locate the Payroll section in the main menu. Click on it to access your payroll settings where you can manage your bank details. Step 3. Access bank account information. In the payroll settings, find the option for bank account or payment methods. Click on this to view your current bank account details. Step 4. Update your bank details. Select the option to edit or update your bank account information. Enter your new bank account number and routing number, ensuring all details are accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new bank details, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your payroll will be directed to the new account. Make sure to double-check your new bank details for accuracy. If you have any questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Rippling support for help.